Good morning. Hello everyone. Today the economic subject second chapter intellectual analysis. Last topic 2.7 significance of law and between the relation of price the marginal utility. The first the significance of law. What is the significance? Significance means the importance of all what is a business and company and governments of rule. Government of rules. What is significant? The spite in the criticism in the law of determination finality is the properly and importance of the economic business for universal application. What is the universal application? All surrounding is the economical sources, agriculture field, business, company, economically growth, economic development, all employees to work of the economic development. The significance of law, number one, usefulness of consumer. Number one, usefulness of consumer. What is the consumers? Means utility of goods. Second, useful of governments. Usefulness of governments. What is of government? Government means state government and central governments. The all situation of the economically growth and economically development. Third, basic paradox. Basic paradox method. Paradox value and method. Fourth, basic law of demand. Basic law of demand. The explanation first point, useful of consumers. The law it creates the awareness and the among of consumer obtain the maximum utility from the limited resources, the necessary of divisibility and consumption in the goods. Second, useful of governments. Useful of government. The government of all decision, the seasonable goods and reliability of utility of manufacturing and consumers of utility. The basic, the law of the useful of the government in the family, various of the policy and progressive tax policy, trade policy and price policy, for example, in the governments of usefulness of government in the significance law. The third, basic paradox of value. That is the paradox in the Virodhabhas, the all objective words. The law of demanding mathematically help to understand the paradox of value. If a zero of less value in the inches of the air, water, sunshine, as well as goods of the have more value in exchange of the less value in the such of goods and diamonds for silver and gold. Number four, basic law of demands. The law of demand in the base of the law demanding mathematically according to law of demand, the quantity demand of a goods the rise of the fall of the price. As fall of the increase of the price when consumer purchase more than more utility and units of goods. It is a mathematical steadily in these lines. It is mathematically steadily in this line the hence of good additional units of the commodity in lower price. Means PU is equal to MU. PU is equal to upward, MU is equal to downward. The increase of significant importance of the all business company and goods factor. The second topic, relation between the manufacturing and price. expression relation relationship between marginal utility and price. What is the price? Price means all goods of the satisfy of the demands wants. Let us discuss of the relation between the marginal utility price of the order and understand how to log determining marginal utility from the basic of law demand. It is a perfect example. Practical application is a log determining utility of the DMU. What is our DMU? D for determining. M for marginal or U for utility. Means DMU. Determining utility marginal goods of goods. Let's assume between 1 units marginal utility is equal to 10 rupees and market price is equal to 50 rupees. The schedule diagram 2.3. Number of units. MU units of X and second MU in terms of money. 1 units is equal to 10 rupees and market price, third column, fourth column, market price per unit is 50 rupees and comparison between MU and price. First unit of value 10. MU in terms of the 100 in bracket 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Market price 50 rupees and comparison 100 MU more than 50 rupees less than. Second units, 8 of units in bracket 8 into 10 is equal to 80 rupees. Market price 50 rupees. 80 mu more than 50 rupees less than. Third unit, units of magnitude is 7 minus पहले 10 more than less than 8 less than 7 in bracket 7 into 10 bracket complete is equal to 70 rupees. Market price 50 rupees is equal to constant 70 mu more than 50 rupees less than. 70 is more than 50 rupees is less than. First term 4 units, units of 5 in bracket 5 into 10 bracket complete is equal to 50. Market price 50 and constant equal minus utility total utility is equal to market price. Constant equal, the commodity is equals for 4 units. Number 5 less than 3 units. 3 into 10 bracket complete is equal to 30. Market price constant 50 rupees. 30 rupees mu more than market price more than mu is equal to less than. And 6 1 units. 1 into 10 bracket complete is equal to 10. Market price constant 50 rupees. 10 minus utility less than market price more than. The constant table of the comparison, first unit 10 is equal to 100. Constant market price 50 rupees. 100 mu more than market price less than. Second unit 8 units 8 into 10 80 market price 50 rupees. 80 mu more than 50 rupees less than market price is less than. Number 3 7 units 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Constant market price constant 50 rupees. 70 marginal utility more than 50 rupees less than. The constant of marginal utility is the 5 units. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Market price is 50 rupees. 50 rupees mu marginal utility total utility of constant equal the less than 3 units. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Market price 50. 30 mu marginal utility and market price more than and marginal utility less than. Minus and 6 unit 1 units 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Market price 50 rupees. 10 mu marginal utility 10 and market price more than 50 rupees. The constant of 5 units of the constant magnitude and market price is equal constant of speed. Means TU more than and marginal utility less than. The market price constant of 5 units. Market price 50 rupees. and marginality 50. Mu is equal to constant. Total credit is the upward, marginal credit is the downward. Thank you so much. Explanation the tables.